Welcome to the Elixir Sessions, where we explore the cutting edge of wellness and innovation. Our guest today is Joël Brierre, a pioneer in modern psychedelic wellness and the founder of Kaivala Collective, 5 and Tandava Retreats. Known for his work with 5-MeO-DMT and the Bufo Alvarius toad, Joël integrates non-dual yogic philosophy into psychedelic preparation and integration. His work has gained global recognition for its innovative and compassionate approach to healing. Thanks for sitting down with us today. We're excited to learn about your retreats and your work with 5-MeO-DMT. Can you start by telling us about what you do and what is the focus of your work?
I'm the co-founder of 5-MeO-DMT Information and Vital Education, and also the founder and CEO of Tandava Retreats, all focused on 5-MeO-DMT.
Can you tell us about your retreats and what makes them unique?
Retreats are something that our whole team is extremely passionate about. The concept of creating an environment that allows participants to feel that they're stepping out of the known world into the unknown, or out of the ordinary and into the extraordinary. And it helps facilitate all that magic that goes into a successful retreat. And so that's been a lot of fun. We're in Tepoztlán, Mexico, one of the most beautiful areas in the world, surrounded by breathtaking mountains. And our retreat center helps support 5 by providing real-world evidence and data that helps support our protocols and helps go towards our clinical trials starting next year.
Why did you choose to focus on 5-MeO-DMT in your work?
Like many of us, I had my life profoundly shifted, and we could say saved by these medicines and these beautiful practices. And 5-MeO-DMT, I would just say, is, in my opinion, the ultimate experience a human can have, and is every human's birthright, really, as far as I'm concerned, in terms of getting to have this experience. Is every human ready right now to do 5-MeO-DMT? No, absolutely not. But that type of unitive experience that allows us to remember beyond any logical thinking that we are connected in such an intrinsic way with everything it's the medicine that humanity needs right now.
How can someone know if they're ready for this kind of experience?
If you are feeling that call and that interest, then go on the 5 platform, 5-meo.education, and it will have all the information you could ever need to know around 5-MeO-DMT to make an informed decision, because that's important. I think a lot of us, we may read some super sparkly headlines or something and just think, oh, wow, this is going to be a beautifully pleasurable experience. And it can be the most challenging, drudging, hardcore experience someone can have also. It's not to say that it's not successful. We get most of our deepest healing through challenging experiences. But for someone looking to step up to the plate for this experience, we want to make sure we're in a stable place in our life. We want to make sure we're in a place to where a little bit of possible destabilization in the coming days or weeks afterwards may not throw our life off course.
What advice would you give to someone concerned about having a challenging experience?
I guess that would be deeply individual, and also rely on the skill sets of the integration specialists and the facilitators. So a challenging experience, there's an infinite amount of content to draw from in there. And so how we formed our container is really to work with whatever comes up in the experience. And so a challenging experience is our mind giving us signals, our mind giving us messages, our psyche telling us where it's not comfortable or where wounds may be. And so then engaging with curiosity and getting to know those wounds to a deeper level, we can unravel all the tangled mess that we have in here.
What does the phrase cultivating curiosity mean to you in this context?
That's going to be also deeply individual for each participant, as some people respond differently to different types of modalities. We can engage with curiosity through a somatic way. We can see where in our body we're feeling certain sensations and see what those sensations may look like or may sound like or may taste like, different things like this, getting to know things beyond the thinking mind. We may do better with something like internal family systems, where we're getting to use our logical mind to get to know different aspects of the psyche. We may do better with, there's a multitude of different ways, but it's not pushing out anything that we're feeling or thinking because we may perceive it as negative, but more so trying to get to understand why we're feeling that way.
How do you feel about therapy being conducted by a couple?
Having a couple serve a participant. Our sessions are done privately and individually at our retreats. And I think a lot of participants feel very comfortable with having a couple around them, with having both a male and a female body around them. And as some people feel more comfortable with one or the other, and at different stages of their process or in different levels of vulnerability, they may feel more comfortable and so can get that support that they need in real time. In business, I think it's one of the most beautiful things ever, getting to pursue your passion with someone that you are passionately in love with. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? It's wonderful. Does it come with its challenges? Absolutely. But just like a challenging experience with psychedelics, those challenges allow us to engage with curiosity. Okay, why am I resorting to a specific behavioral pattern when I'm feeling a little stressed? Things like this. So I'd say it's deep medicine on every level.
Joël Brierre's dedication to bridging ancient wisdom with modern psychedelic therapies is deeply inspiring. Thank you, Joël, for sharing your insights and commitment to helping others grow and heal. See you on the next Elixir session, where we uncover unconventional wellness leaders doing amazing things.